Hey guys, this is Miss Fairy. Hopefully it's at work. I just wanted to show you the weather that I get to deal with. Oh, crap. It's in my face. As you can see, this is my backyard. I don't know if you can hear the wind pick up, but you know. This is the blizzard we're doing, but you can see my animals can barely run through here, so we have to. I'm waiting for a gust of wind to go by so I can show you how windy. There's the trees moving. I don't know how much storage this is going to let me film because my phone's retarded here because of the wind. Net news, recycling bins, the table. Oh, here it comes. Holy crap. It's in out here, really cold. Snow everywhere. And it's still snowing. There we go, there's a different. See where I dug, and you can see how deep it is. It piles up. Now that's filling back up. There we go. Alright. That's over my head, so I am gonna head back in. But yeah, this is a little quick vlog. This is what I'm stuck inside from. And not getting boxes. I will see you guys.